Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the third tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about headings in HTML. So I've saved this file. It has the name tutorial-3.html. On line 1 I have the doc type declaration. On line 2 I have the opening HTML tag. On line 19 I have the closing HTML tag, and then I have the head section and the body section. Within the head section I have the title tags that contain the title headings in HTML, and then in the body section I have 6 heading tags, and if I would open this file in Google Chrome, this is how it would look, right? So you have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth text that I have between the heading tag pairs in the body section, right? So we've seen how the h1 tag works in the first tutorial in this course, and I'll just go through it one more time. So to have it, you have to type in h1 as your opening element, and then you also need to have a closing element for the same heading. So you have slash in h1, and that too between the opening and closing angular brackets, and whatever text you have in it, it is displayed in bold, and it has a greater font size. And the next lower level heading is the h2 heading, and it's the same as h1 in construction. It's just that you use the number 2 instead of number 1, and that has to happen for the opening tag as well as the closing tag, right? And then similarly you have h3, h4, h5 and h6, and there is no h7, so you have 6 different levels of headings in HTML, and you could change the default size through CSS, but since we are not going to cover CSS in this course, if you want to have any of these 6 levels of heading in your documents, then you can use the heading tags, right? So that's all I wanted to talk about in this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one, in which we'll discuss another interesting feature of HTML, and I hope you guys had fun, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.